break down, to collapse, to stop working, break into, to enter by force, break out, to start, to appear suddenly, break up, to disperse, to come to an end. For example, to break down, to collapse. She broke down when she was told of her husband's death. To stop working. Although my car is very old, it never breaks down. To break into, to enter by force. Burglars broke into their house while they were away on holiday. To break out, to start, appear suddenly. An epidemic of cholera has broken out. A fire broke out in a big hotel in Las Vegas a few months ago. To break up, to disperse, to come to an end. Police had to be called to break up the demonstration. School has broken up for holidays.